What's up, guys? Your boy Josiah Hahn. I'm out here doing an unboxing for the Tricolate filter here. It's a new brewing system. Jeez, this packaging, man. So this is, Australia is actually doing something that is making waves even over in the coffee industry in America. All right, here it is. All right, so there's my filters. There's the actual brewer. Filters go in there. And then this is the dripping mechanism. And you place this over your cup. Do your brew through here, shower head. Anyway, pretty cool. Australia doing the old Tricolate. Guys, the truckers didn't continue. I got out. I'm back home. This is Kingdom. Elise, Jesus loves you. Haley, Sue, how are you doing, everybody? You guys are beautiful people. Boy, if you like this video, hit that like button, smash that subscription. It's your boy Josiah. We're out.